Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find and use the music player effect for your videos or photos in CapCut. So in here I'm using a video that I want to add the music player effect. So you just need to go to the video effects and here swipe until you find the vlog category. Okay, this one, and scroll down, then select the player one options. Just click on that, and you can also adjust here. You can adjust the blur background, and after that, when you like it, just click on the check icon. Then you can adjust on the length of the effects, and here is the final result. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.